What are your plans for Halloween? Many are still unsure about how the pandemic could affect local festivities. Valley News Team's Devin Fry spoke with one group which is moving forward with its Halloween tradition.
The temperature's starting to fall. We're starting to see pumpkins in stores, and Halloween stores are starting to open, which can only mean one thing: spooky season is almost upon us. Halloween is only 51 days away, and many are still unsure about how the COVID-19 pandemic will affect this year's festivities. So far here locally, numerous events have been canceled, including the haunted corn maze in Moorhead and trick-or-treating at the West Acres Mall. On a national scale, some areas are even cracking down on trick-or-treating entirely, with LA County in California urging residents to not trick-or-treat this year due to the pandemic. We reached out to our viewers to see if their plans have been affected this Halloween. The majority of the comments were still saying they plan on holding their Halloween traditions, with some saying that they'll be altering their plans. One local group that will be going forward with their Halloween tradition is the Haunted Farm in Moorhead. This year, the farm will be requiring masks and enforcing social distancing guidelines to ensure the safety of their guests.
This year when this virus came around, I figured we wouldn't be opening. But working with the county and the health department, we worked out a way that we would be able to stay open.
Although Night Guard was unsure earlier this year if they'd be able to carry on their annual event, he says they're excited to welcome people back onto their haunted grounds.
I love it. It's my hobby. I work on stuff mostly year-round, but it takes about a month to set up, and then we're only open 10 days, but we have a lot of fun with it.
He also says that he still expects a big crowd for this year's event, but feels confident that they can open the farm safely.
I think we're even going to be more people this year because people are looking for something to do, something they can get out. And we're mostly outside, so we're in good shape.
Reporting from Moorhead, Devin Fry, Valley News Live.
And county officials have not released any specific guidelines on Halloween safety yet. The haunted farm is set to open on October 2nd.